everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm happy you decided to join us today. As you can see by that title down below, you guys, today we'll be reacting to 9/11 as events unfold. I'm definitely aware of 9/11. I remember being in Victorville, California when everything took place and it started to hit the news and stuff like that. And I just remember everybody being in our den at the time, and everybody was just really devastated and honestly, like, just, I guess, taken aback by everything. I haven't really looked into it as an adult or anything like that, so I'm excited to watch this video and kind of get more details and stuff like that. I will not be doing too much talking during this video, so let's get into it.
American 11, are you trying to call?
The cockpit is not answering their phone. Our number 1 has been staffed and our 5 has been staffed.
I am going to call from Washington. I am in a situation with American 11, a possible hijack.
What's going on, Betty? The aircraft is erratic again. Problem, very erratic. Betty, talk to me. Betty, are you there?
Oh my
Betty?
gosh.
Betty?
A plane just What? 737?
What?
Like the World Trade Center.
Devastating.
Oh my God.
United 175, New York. We have some problems over here right now. We might have a hijack over here, 2 of them.
Jules, this is Ryan. Listen, on an airplane that's been hijacked. If things will go well, and it's not looking good. I just want you to know I absolutely love you. I want you to do good. So same to my parents and everybody. And I just totally love you, and I'll see you later. Bye, babe.
What are those people gonna do? All the elevators are blocked out.
Wow. It's like, it's extremely hard to even watch. Like, this is devastating. Devastating.
Oh my God, so both towers are now.
Okay, now I got an aircraft 6 miles east of the White House.
Hello? Crystal City, just north of Crystal City.
Just to the north of your town.
Yeah, stop all departures.
Oh my gosh.
God damn, I can't even protect my NCA.
United 93, that traffic for you is 1 o'clock, 12 miles eastbound 370.
Negative contact, we're looking, United 93.
United 93, Cleveland, if you hear the center right then.
I got that piece of dog. Keep remaining steady. You have the ball, boss.
Oh my gosh.
Tuesday, 9:47 a.m.
Hi, baby. Baby, you have to listen to me carefully. I'm on a plane that's been hijacked. I'm on the plane. I'm calling from the plane. I want to tell you I love you. Please tell my children that I love them very much. And I'm so sorry, babe. I hope to be able to see your face again, baby. I love you. Bye.
Oh.
We're 56865. We have, I believe it is a Boeing 757. Can you see him up there, sir?
That's confirmed. It looks like he's rocking his wings.
Roger.
He's rocking back and forth.
Number 56865, I advise you stay away from that aircraft. Go north as fast as you can.
United 93, have you got information on that yet?
Yeah, he's down.
He's down?
Yes.
When did he land?
He did not land.
Oh, he's down?
Yeah,
Down?
somewhere up northeast of Camp David.
Sean, it's me. I just wanted to let you know I love you, and I'm stuck in this building in New York. There's lots of smoke, and I just wanted you to know that I love you always.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I'm
on the 83rd floor. I'm gonna die, aren't I? No. I'm gonna die.
Liv, say your prayers. We're gonna think positive because you gotta help each other get off the floor.
I'm gonna die.
That's a new type of war. That's what it is.
Wow. I'm gonna just read it, you guys. Wow. Ooh, okay. Time is passing, yet for the United States of America, there will be no forgotten September. There will be no forgetting September the 11th. We will remember every rescuer who died in honor. We will remember every family that lives in grief. We will remember the fire and ash, the last phone calls, the funerals of the children. Former President George W. Bush. Wow. It still hurts to this day. I didn't know anyone personally or have any family members involved in this tragedy. But because I'm a human and I have a heart, you know, I still feel for all those people and everyone that we lost during that tragedy, and every rescuer, every person that helped, every person that was on scene, that was there applying aid or whatever the case may be. Like, this was one of the most devastating things that I've ever seen. Well, you know, not in real life or anything like that, but I was alive for that was going on, that, you know, as the news coverage broke and all that stuff, that I just seen the way it impacted so many people. And it's still devastating to this day, truly. And my love goes out to everybody who has lost somebody in 9/11. It's just so heartbreaking, very. Not on our watch. Yeah, that's a hard video to watch for sure. I'm just happy it wasn't longer, because I don't know how much more of that I could have taken. You know what I mean? When I tell you I was fighting back tears, especially listening to a lot of those phone calls, knowing in the back of my head, like, wow, those were like, you know, their final words, you know what I mean? And their final farewells and goodbyes to their family, their children, husbands, wives. Like, it really makes me grateful. It makes me grateful for life. And that, you know, I'm here today. Because there's a lot of people that aren't. And it's not fair. It's not fair at all. If you guys enjoyed today's reaction, please make sure you guys are tapping that love button to show the algorithm that you guys are enjoying my content. And I'll catch you guys in my next upload. Bye. That 9/11 video was tough. It was tough to even film because it felt so wrong. Like, I felt so wrong reacting to it for some reason. Like, it just didn't feel like it was right. To the point where, like, at the end, I didn't even want to do my full outro. Because who cares about subscribers? Who cares about the notification bell and stuff like that when what you just reacted to is like, those people aren't even here today and you're going to talk about a dang subscription? What? You know, that's tough. September 11th, y'all. September 11th. I love you guys. You guys make sure you guys take care of yourselves. Stay blessed. And until next time. Bye.
It's Miaaaa, that girl you came to see. So grab your snack and just sit back, leave a comment in the chat. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's Miaaaa, that girl you came to see. So grab your snack and just sit back, leave a comment in the chat.